Hey guys, this is Rachna. Today I'm gonna show you one beautiful interior site done by SSM Interiors. So let's go to the site.
Coming to the entrance is covered with wood paneling and 3 spotlights at the top to highlight this area. At the right side of the entrance, we have 2 ledges, and below that we have a shoe rack. Shoe rack is the combination of grey and white. The grey bordering highlights the shoe rack.
Now we are in the living room. As we entering into the living room, we have a beautiful shelf over here with a Ganesh idol and with 2 spotlights. And the background is covered with artificial grass, which looks very elegant. Coming to the TV unit, we have a huge TV unit with 3 silver stripes on the rightmost corner and cloud lightings at the back. In the rightmost corner of the TV unit, we have 2 shelves with 2 spotlights. At the bottom of the TV unit, we have 4 drawers and 1 openable shelf. This is the highlighting part of the living room, as the background is covered with charcoal sheet with a random pattern on it, and this is the combination of white and golden, which looks very elegant, and it is also highlighting the TV unit. And we also have a pendant light at the corner of the living room. We have given a beautiful wallpaper here in L shape because we are getting a L shaped sofa here, and curtains are also complementing this. Coming to the ceiling, we have used white and golden color here. So for the golden color, we have added wooden paneling with cloud lightings. The dining and living is covering with a wood paneling here, and we are also giving a partition here with CNC cutting designs, which looks very beautiful. We are in the dining area now. We have a crockery unit on the left side of the dining with base storage here with a granite platform, and we have 4 overhead storages here with brown designed mirror and a single door storage here. In the leftmost corner of the crockery unit, we have a vanity unit. The background is covered with artificial grass, and we have a mirror on the top. And also we have a designed wash basin here. At the right side of the dining, we have a puja unit facing towards west, keeping Vastu in mind. And we have glass doors which are traditionally designed. And inside we have a CNC cutting designs with a beautiful Ganesh idol in the middle. Coming to the ceiling, on the top of the dining table, we have given wooden ceiling with cloud lights. We have a breakfast counter here, which is highlighting with these 2 pendant lights. Entering to the kitchen, we have a wooden paneling with these spotlights. To the modular kitchen, the color theme we have used is grey and white. We have used tandem baskets here. We are using a silver white granite here to match the color theme. We are giving white color kitchen tiles here, and to give more lighting in the kitchen area, we are providing the scale lightings. 2 overhead storages on the either side of the chimney, and we have a loft on the top of it, and we have used high glossy laminates everywhere in the kitchen. The highlighted part of the kitchen is these designed mirror doors. We have a parallel kitchen. The opposite side of the cooking station, we have given a huge storage with adjustable shelf, and we are giving a plain ceiling in the kitchen. And now we are in master bedroom. The color theme we have given to the master bedroom is olive green and cream color combination. At the rightmost corner of the bed, we have a huge wardrobe with 3 sliding doors here with soft closings. And we have a foldable workstation here and the loft on the top with all lift up. On the opposite side of the wardrobe, we have a TV unit with some openings here, and coming to the right side of the bed, we have a dressing unit, storage inside, and sitting is also. And this wallpaper is completely complementing the color theme of the room, as well as these curtains are matching to it. Coming to the ceiling, we have a rectangular drop over the bed, and on the opposite side we also have a small rectangular drop, and highlighting this with cloud lights and spotlights. We are in the children bedroom now. We have a wardrobe with glossy finish with 2 color combinations, white and sea green. Right side of the door, we have dressing cum storage unit here with 2 drawers at the bottom. Loft storage on the top of it with hydraulic doors. Besides the dressing unit, we have a foldable study table here On the top of it, we have a book storage shelf. And to highlight this room, we have painted this wall with sea green color to complement the color theme of the room. And the curtains are also matching to it. We have used a step ceiling here. In the middle of the room, we have given a square. And on the either side of the room, we have given two stripes. The balcony is attached with both master bedroom and children bedroom, and we have highlighted this wall with this color. And coming to the ceiling, we have rafters over here, and to match the rafters,
Yeah, myself Surinder, he is a student. So I would like to inform you, we went through some of the interior design, some of the companies. But after couple of visiting the sites and seeing the perspective after whenever I met my colleagues, they are one of the so after visiting what was done, very excited. But actually my expectations were a little bit high. But by explaining whatever I was expecting my home, as part of my society, after we shared couple of times and went to station, I was a little bit shy and how it would be working, reach my expectations are not finally how it comes very good. And expectations for a few laborers and carpenters who were working. So they also very good. Whenever I go there, they are like delay something, but then couple of times I was changing some of the designs, plan movements, like little bit changes happened, but they were not be like whatever they were level. So finally the output comes very good and I was very happy. So my wife also feel like very happy whenever we see the outcome of the plan. Thanks for assessing it. All the best for future endeavors.
all the best.